Okay.
Head, shoulders, knees,
Knees
and
and-
toes.
knees.
Knees and toes.
No, you're saying knees here.
Yeah, I know that. I'm sorry. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I guess you're back. I am Seray and this is my teacher, Wissam.
Yay. As if they don't know us already.
Okay, which topic we will learn today?
Yeah, we're going to learn about the body.
Yes,
Yeah.
and health.
Well, health
And
later.
medicine.
Okay, onlar sonra. Bunlar başka bir video.
Okay, cut. Okay, body.
Yes, so we're going to learn about the body.
Hadi öğrenelim.
Okay, she's energetic today. So, let's start with the head. So first of all, let's say we have a head. I mean, all of us have heads.
I can modeling.
She can do modeling, yeah, apparently.
Do modeling. Okay.
Do modeling.
Okay,
Or-
I can do modeling.
Yes, and I can't. So,
Okay.
so the head. Let's start with the hair, first of all, which is, what is in Turkish?
Saç.
Yeah, so we got the hair. Now, about this part here, what is that in Turkish?
Alın.
Okay, what about, okay, I don't know if you have it in Turkish, but okay, this is the forehead in English.
Forehead.
The alın is forehead.
Okay.
But what about this part here, from here to here? This.
Şurası mı?
Yes.
Ama saçın başladığı yer.
No, yes, close.
I don't know. Yeah, saç.
Actually, it's not.
Saç çizgisi,
Actually,
hairline
actually,
falan mı?
okay, it's not the hair. Actually, like to be more clear, it's here. Those two parts here.
Ha, this one.
Yeah, those two here.
Şakak mı?
Shakak.
Ay,
Okay.
Burası değil ama burası.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, I meant here. Okay, so those ones are called in English temples.
Temples.
Yes.
Like mezar gibi mi?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
Çok kötü.
So temples. So these are temples. Okay. So let's review. So we've got hair. Well,
Okay.
you've got hair, and we got forehead, and then temples. Okay. What about this part over here?
Kaş.
And in English,
Eyebrows? No.
eyebrows. Yes,
okay,
yes,
tamam.
eyebrows. Correct. Eyebrows.
Bakmadan söylüyorum.
Yeah, that's rare. I'm joking. So that was the eyebrow. What about from the eyes? This part, the one that opens and closes.
Göz kapağım.
Okay.
Yani...
Don't tell me it's eye door, not eye door.
No, not
Okay.
eye door, but I
Yes.
can say something random. I can guess. Eye cover.
Well, not cover. Do you know a jar? Jar.
Jar. No.
Jar. Honey jar.
Ha, kavanoz mu?
Okay,
Jar.
so this. So, but what is that in English?
Kapağı mı?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Lid.
Led mi?
Lid. Lid. So eyelids.
Bilmiyorum.
Eyelids.
Kapağın ne olduğunu bilseydim demek ki bilirmişim. Cover'dan mantıklı.
Okay, it's eyelids. So inside the eye now. Actually, no. Before we go inside the eye, those ones, the one that you do this, yeah.
Okay. I think it's coming with eye. Like,
I mean, sure.
start with eye.
Starts with an I, not the letter I, but I mean the I. Yes.
Eye brushes.
Eyelashes.
Eyelashes.
Eyelashes.
Öyle bir şey olduğunu
Yes,
biliyordum. Okay.
yes, that-
Maskaralarda yazıyor tabii
Eyebrushes?
ya. Eyelashes.
How do you clean? I brush with my eye. It's like-
Eye.
what about the colorful part of your eye?
Okay.
So you have blue eyes, I have brown eyes.
Iris deniyor aslında.
What is it in English?
Irish falan mı?
Iris.
Gerçekten.
Iris.
Ha, direkt
Yeah.
iris.
Yes.
Okay.
In
Irish
Turkish,
şey yani. Bayağı
not Irish.
İrlandalı.
Yeah. So it's called iris in English, Turkish?
Ne?
Iris in Turkish?
Iris.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, so it's an iris. Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
All of it is an eye for sure.
Okay.
What about these ones? When you find something cute, you do this. Yeah. If you find a cute baby, you're gonna do this.
I don't know.
It starts with a C.
C. C.
Yeah.
Okay.
Second letter is H.
H.
So ch.
Oh, chicks.
Cheeks. Yes, there we go. Not chicks. Cheeks.
Cheeks.
Yes, there's difference.
İyi.
Yes. So
Tamam
cheek.
çünkü o şeydi tamam ne olduğunu hatırlamıyorum.
Yeah.
Piliç gibi bir şey.
So it's cheeks.
Fıstık.
Fıstık, sure. So those are cheeks. All right, now let's go back here and what about these ones?
Ears.
Ears.
Yani kulak.
What about this part here? This one?
I can guess but it's probably gonna be
Improper.
improper.
Yes. Well, it was, but in Turkish it makes sense. In English,
Kulaklarımız.
yeah, but in English it's earlobe.
Earlobe mu?
Earlobe.
Okay, earlobe.
Earlobe. Yeah. All right. Now let's go back to the front of the face again. We have a
Nose.
nose.
Yes.
Okay. This is a story for the audience. My sister hates my nose. She always
Why?
because it's a big nose. So if my sister is watching this, she can see this. She always tells me. She always tell me that I have a face on my nose.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's so rude.
No, it's not rude actually. I got used to it. I got used to it. Yeah, I got used to it.
Okay, it's funny.
It is funny.
Okay.
She used to laugh at me.
Okay, I agree. It's funny, but it's rude.
Yeah, it's funny. She used to laugh at me when I was a
Don't
kid.
do this anyone.
Don't do this to anyone?
Yeah.
Ah, she's my sister. It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sister is okay.
So this is the nose. What about the opening of the nose? We have two of them.
Noise door.
No. It's not a noise. Noise is ses.
No, okay.
Nose.
Nose door.
Nose. Okay.
Nose door is correct.
Noise. Yeah. No. Okay.
Nose door is correct.
No, it's not correct.
Okay.
It's not even close. There's not even a
Nose
door
hole.
here.
Nose
Nose
hole?
hole.
It makes sense by the way.
I mean, technically,
Nose
yes.
hole.
It's nostril.
Because it's burun delikleri.
It's nostril.
No?
Nostril. Nostril.
This ones or this?
No, the hole.
Okay, the hole. Okay.
Yes, the holes are called nostrils.
Just agree.
Just agree.
This nose hole.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I guess in her logic, yeah, it's a nose hole. But yeah. Okay, so that's we're done with the nostril. What about for guys? We have this, like I have them, for example. This hair here.
Mustache?
Yes, mustache. Okay, it's a mustache.
Bıyık.
What?
Bıyık. Çok
Bıyık.
alakasız.
Yeah, really. Okay, so
Mustache.
that's a mustache, not
Okay.
mustache.
Mustache.
Okay, and the full
Like
hair,
mayonnaise gibi.
like mayonnaise. No, actually, it's not mayonnaise in English. It's mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Yeah.
I know that, but
Okay,
I
it sounds like that.
I wanted to say Turkish
Okay.
this first.
Okay, makes sense. What about the hair here? Like again, I have it.
B ile mi başlıyor?
Beyle başlıyor.
Bears falan.
Beard.
Beard mı? Nasıl
beard.
yazılıyor?
B-E-A-R-D.
B-E.
A-R-D. Beard.
Ha, beard.
Beard, yes. Beard.
Beard. Tamam.
Yes, so that's a beard. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. What about this all lower part? This one.
Oh, jaw.
Yes, jaw.
Because I know the jawline.
Yeah, the jawline. Well, yes, it's a jaw. Yes, of course she
Yeah.
knows the jawline. I know the jaw from the movie The Jaw. Do you know the movie Jaws?
Yeah, I know
Jaws.
that. But why?
Because shark attack with jaws.
Oh,
So
okay.
all animals, like they have jaw. Well, not all, but yeah. What about this part over here?
Jaw point falan mı?
Jaw point, no, chin.
Chin.
Chin.
Just chin mi?
Just chin.
Okay.
Just chin. Okay, so that was the chin. And then this one,
Boyun.
the boyun, yes.
I don't know.
Neck.
Ah, neck.
And what about the last one? When you put I don't want to say the word, like these ones,
Lips.
lips. Yeah. So you use lipstick on them or lip balm.
Just lip or lips?
Well, two of them. So
Oh,
lips.
it's one lip
One
and
lip.
the
upper
other
lip
one
and the lower lip.
Oh.
Yeah. You thought like this is lips, this is
Gerçi
lips.
biz Türkçe'de de dudaklar, hani dudaklarım diyoruz.
Dudaklarım. So this
Aynen.
is dudak and this is dudak.
Hiç o şekilde düşünmemiştim. Dudağım da diyoruz bu arada.
Ah, okay, my
Dudaklarım
lips.
kurudu mesela. Dudağım kurudu da dersin ama dudaklarım kurudu da dersin sonuçta. Mesela şu da var. Bunu bir tek ben yapıyorum muhtemelen. Ama mesela boğazım ağrıdığında boğazım ağrıyor demiyorum. Boğazlarım ağrıyor diyorum. Neden
Boğazlarım.
bilmiyorum. Burası
Neden çoğul?
Bilmiyorum.
Okay, so we talked about the face and the head. Now we're going now to move to the body, to the full body. Okay? So let's start. You know the song? Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Yeah, there we go. So there we go. We finished the whole thing.
Böyle yapsak ne kadar komik o. Ayağa kalkıp head, shoulder, knees and toes.
So we said head, and the second part is actually the shoulders, which
Yeah.
is, those are the shoulders.
Omuzlarım.
What about this part over here? There are two bones here. Yeah.
Şu köprücük kemiklerim
Yes.
var. Is bone and like bridge bone.
Actually, they say, some people say bridge bone, but actually,
Gerçekten mi?
yeah, but
Çünkü
it's actually,
köprücük kemiği ise
Yeah.
İngilizce'de de öyle bir şeydir.
it's collarbone.
Collar.
Collar.
Collar. Why?
Because
What's that
this is called the collar. Like this part of the body, it's called the collar, actually. So, for example, this thing,
Yeah.
it's collar. Yeah.
Yeah. I know that.
So when you wear, like I'm wearing a
White
shirt,
collar. And
white collar and a blue
Yeah.
collar.
Yeah.
By the way, it's not color. Collar. Yes. Okay, this is for everyone. When you say what do you say in Turkish? White collar.
Beyaz yakalı, mavi yakalı.
Okay, so yakalı.
Yaka.
Yaka. Okay.
Aynen.
So
But
the yaka.
we don't say this part is yaka. It's not yaka.
Yeah.
Like only
Only
the
for the shirt.
Yeah, the part
For
of the clothes.
Right, right. We also do the same thing in English, but only this part is called the collarbone. And many people always mistake the word collar with color. So
Yeah.
it's not color, it's collar. Okay? There's a big difference. Okay. And this part over here, yes.
Chest.
Chest. There we go. Chest.
Göğüs.
Yes.
Gövde mi göğüs mü?
Goes, I guess.
Yok, göğüs direkt breast oluyor.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Gövde.
Gövde. So yeah, that one.
Chest.
So let's move on to this part here. So we talked about the shoulders. Now, what about this one? The whole thing is
Arm.
arm. Okay, so that's the arm. So all this part is an arm. This part over here, what do we call this part? It's called the forearm. Forearm.
Burasının adı var mı ya?
In
Bilmiyorum.
English, there is
Artık
forearm.
İngilizce'de var.
Forearm. Forearm.
Ha,
F-O-R-E.
forehead.
Forehead, forearm.
Okay.
Yeah. What about this bone over here?
Ha, dirsekler. Dirseklerin İngilizcesini bilmiyorum.
This is an elbow.
Elbow.
Elbow. So elbow, forearms, and what about this part?
This is a forearm or this is
I mean,
forearm?
normally they always say like this is the forearm normally, but some people say also this is, but it's actually not. It's the back arm. This is the forearm.
Okay.
Yeah. This part, wrist. Wrist. Yeah.
Ya bir şey böyle bir şey de.
There's a fist, yeah.
Bir şey.
So it's a wrist, yes.
Wrist.
Okay, what about this one, this part? Palm.
Palm.
Palm. P-A-L-M.
Arm.
So that was the palm.
Yeah.
And this is, what about this part? The backhand.
Backhand.
Yeah. So now, what about the fingers? Do you know the names?
What about the fingers?
Do you know the
They
name?
are fingers.
No. Do you know the
yeah.
name of the fingers in English? You knew,
I knew,
but you forgot.
But I forgot, but I can guess.
Okay.
Just
Let's start.
randomly.
Let's
Okay.
start.
Like that finger,
What?
that.
No, not in Turkish.
Farther. Or the first finger.
Thumb.
Tamam.
Thumb. Thumb.
Baş parmak. Ya
Okay.
tamamen Türkçeyle bağdaştırdım.
Okay.
And this is the like arrow finger.
Well, close, yes.
Yeah.
Close, but pointing finger.
Aa, işaret parmağı
İşaret,
çünkü.
point, yes, point.
Tamam, arrow, ok parmağı gibi bir şey
Ok
oldu.
parmak.
İşaretle aklıma o geldi.
Yeah, that's, pointing
And the
finger.
middle finger.
Middle finger, that's easy.
And this is the ring finger.
Yes, ring finger.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, you're not gonna know this one.
Little finger.
No.
No, okay. Baby finger.
Pinky.
Huh?
Pinky.
Pinky mi?
Pinky finger.
Why is pinky?
I have no idea.
But
Pinky finger.
you said like it's similar with
No,
Yes, child-
a childish
pinky.
name. I said childish.
Oh, okay.
So
Pinky.
pinky. Yeah,
okay,
it's
pinky finger
yeah.
and the ring finger and middle finger and pointing finger,
Finger and-
and the thumb.
thumb.
Bu niye finger değil? Thumb finger mi?
Thumb. No, not thumb finger. Okay. What about this part? You know, of course.
Nail.
Nails. Yeah, fingernails. Now this one you don't have it in Turkish. I'm almost sure.
This one?
Yeah, these
Ha,
ones.
eklem bunlar aslında ama.
What do you call them?
Eklem. Yani like this one is
Yeah, no, it's
also
not.
eklem. This one is also
But
eklem.
each of them in English has a name.
Eklem.
Yeah.
Eklem, eklem.
So this is an elbow. This is a wrist, and these.
No, I know. And also there are names for Turkey in Turkish. Like dirsek işte.
No, actually, I
No?
mean, I'm talking about the bones. Only these.
Ah, okay.
The bones.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know what's the name of this.
Knuckles.
Knuckles.
Knuckle. Actually, it's written like a knuckle, but knuckle.
Ya eminim Türkçe'de de isim vardır ama o artık
Maybe,
anatomiye
maybe.
falan giriyor.
Maybe because there's a weapon, you know, like they use it in GTA, called brace knuckle, for example. You know this. No, there's a weapon like you put it on your fingers, you
Yeah,
close
I
it.
know
and-
that.
Yeah, called brace knuckles. That was the part of the arm and the
Okay.
hand, and all of it is a hand.
Okay.
Yeah. Now under the chest, what do we have when you eat? Your food goes to your
Karın mı göbek mi?
both. Actually, not both. One.
Yeah, actually both. Belly, göbek mi?
Göbek. That's belly, and karın is stomach.
Stomach ache.
Stomach ache, karın ağrıyor, yes.
Okay.
Yes, stomach and we have belly. We said belly and stomach. Now, the side of your belly, yes. What is that?
Ya bel diyoruz biz ona Türkçe'de. O yüzden
Bel mi?
belly is sounds like bel.
Bell is waist.
Waist.
Waist.
Your waist. Evet, belin. My waist.
My waist. And this part, it's
Back.
back, okay?
Ya çok mantıklı back. Hani
Back.
arkan hani direkt.
And now let's talk about the legs. So we have, like the whole thing is a leg, but yeah. So what about this part here? Yeah.
Knees.
Knees, yes.
Like it starts with K.
Starts with a K, then N-E-E.
N-E.
Yes.
Knees.
Then we go down to your...
İlk K'yi kullanmamak adına öğrendiğim kelime bu olabilir ya. Know'dan sonra gerçi.
No,
No da
knife,
öyle.
night.
Ama knife'ı daha geç öğrendim.
Okay, let's imagine this is the leg. Put it down. Let's imagine
This is a leg.
Let's
Okay.
imagine I said.
Okay.
So, this is the foot. And what about this part over here?
Okay.
Yeah.
Ben elimizdeki neydi? Wrist miydi?
That's wrist.
Okay, wrist diyecektim çünkü ne yaptın anlamadım.
Yeah, I did this, so that's the leg, you know. Ankle.
Ankle.
Ankle. So again, imagine this is your foot. This is the foot. This part here,
Yeah.
what is it?
Türkçe'de topuk.
When
Ama
you wear like,
İngilizce-
you know,
Yeah,
high
I know. Heels.
high heels. So heels.
Yüksek topuklu.
Yes.
Yüksek-
So
ya, topuklu.
heels.
Like,
Topuk. Yes.
Just
And what about the fingers of your foot? They're not called fingers. Head, shoulders, knees, and
toes.
toes. So the fingers of your foot are toes. The
Böyle yapınca da ayağımmış gibi hissettim. Bir
Yeah.
saattir ayağım bu benim deyip duruyorsun.
Yeah, like, you can do that. We're not monkeys. Can't do that. So the fingers of your foot are called toes.
Toes.
Yes.
Toes.
T-O-E.
Okay.
Yeah, and S. And that's it. These were the... Okay.
Head, shoulders,
Knees
knees and toes. Knees and toes.
No, you're saying knees here.
Yeah, I know
Okay.
that. I'm sorry. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes yaptım görmüyorlar aşağıda olduğu için.
Yeah, anyways. Like an imagine.
Knees and toes.
Okay, she's remembering her childhood now, and we're gonna end the video because she's gonna start singing now. So thank you so much, guys, for watching us. Please always like and subscribe, and write down the comments in the video. We're always reading them. Thank you for your support, and as always,
Bye bye.
goodbye.